Hey everyone, if your Asana tasks are not updating, changes are missing, or your app is not syncing properly, it can interrupt your entire workflow. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Asana sync issues with simple troubleshooting steps and get your projects working correctly again. So yeah, let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Asana needs a stable connection to sync tasks, comments, and project updates. Try opening another website or app to confirm your connection is working properly. If needed, restart your router or switch to a different network. Next, refresh Asana to force it to load the latest updates. If you're using Asana in a browser, reload the page. For the desktop or mobile app, close and reopen the application. Sometimes a simple refresh is enough to fix temporary sync problems. Sometimes syncing problems are caused by issues on Asana's side. Check the Asana status page to see if there are any ongoing outages or service disruptions. If there is an outage, you may need to wait until the service is restored. If you're using the Asana desktop or mobile app, make sure you have the latest version installed. Older versions may have bugs that affect syncing. Open your App Store or update settings and install any available updates. For browser users, outdated cache files can sometimes prevent Asana from showing the latest information. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then sign back into Asana and check if your tasks sync correctly. If syncing is still not working, try signing out of Asana and signing back in. This refreshes your account connection and can resolve problems with loading updated project information. Make sure Asana has the correct permissions on your device. Mobile users should check app permissions for notifications, background activity, and network access. Blocked permissions can sometimes stop apps from updating properly. Browser extensions and third-party tools can sometimes interfere with Asana. Try disabling unnecessary extensions temporarily or opening Asana in a private browser window to check if another tool is causing the issue. If none of these steps fix the problem, contact Asana support for additional help. Provide details about your device, browser, or app version and the exact syncing issue you're experiencing. This helps support teams find the right solution faster, and that's how to fix Asana sync issues. By checking your connection, updating the app, refreshing your account, and troubleshooting common problems, you can get your projects syncing properly again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Asana tutorial.